There we go. Now again, since we're paying attention to what's going on in the market, what do we know about the past market behavior? Well, we know that a normal retracement is going to stop at about 61%, 50 to 61%, right in this area here. But I also know that if the market cannot break past this level here, this 38%, that's a strong signal. That means that the sellers are just not able to push the market down. This is when we've got a legitimate trade above a high over here. So the first close, which you see right here, activates the trade, and then the entry point is when the market breaks the high. That's a very simple entry system, and you can see the market hasn't broken the high. Saves you all of this retracement here. What is the market doing? It's forming another support and resistance zone. We had one right here. Now we've got one right here. And don't think it's a coincidence that you're forming one right on top of the other. I mean, think about it. Price forms support here, moves up, forms support here. So we finally get the market pushing out. Boom. Pushes above. This price here continues, gives a very nice breakout. Of course, you had this retracement in the overnight, but a very fast move up. You've also got other patterns in here. Remember, these patterns are simply to give us planning. Here's the tunnel pattern, showing the market might reverse right in there. Fibonacci extensions. I mean, look at where price eventually turned around. So you can see how you use these tools. You put them all together to form likely places for the reversal. You plan ahead, and you're not going to be reacting to what's going on in the market. So if you're planning on the market possibly reversing up here, what has to happen? Well, you're going to see momentum die off. You should not see bars closing all the way up at the high. You're going to see small bars like this doji. You see what I'm saying? Hopefully you're getting the picture here. You should be able to describe what needs to happen in order for the market to reverse. And when you do that, you're going to have a huge leg up. So let's take a look at the weekly here. Oops, out of control pen. And give a plan for next week. All right. Okay, there we go. I've cleaned off most of the lines so we can just concentrate on price. Well, you can see that the market broke out. It broke out of the low, but it has closed up. Now, what we need to watch out for is a similar pattern here, but in reverse. You see how this week pushed up and then closed way down, and then the market opened and then pushed higher. You see how there's a reaction in both directions. The market pushes lower, the market pushes higher.